So, hi guys! Hello! It's me again, Maria here. So, how's everyone? How's your Sunday, guys? I feel I'm going to somewhere. So, I have a lots of lemon cito here. I want to pick some 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my lansones. Oh, dami ng lansones, guys. Oh, we have more lansones now. Look at this. Oh my God. I need to go down here. See? Oh. Yeah, marami ng lansones. So, I just want to walk here. I'm searching. Hala. Sana hindi pinatay ni Papa ang luyang dilaw. Oh, I have here my luyang dilaw. I try to tanong kung luyang dilaw ba. So, yeah, continue. I have here the luyang dilaw. Oh, just walking here. I need some peace of mind. Oh, bakit ang liit ng kapayas namin? Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo to. What is that? Ba't ang liit? Oh my goodness. No. Ito naman. Liit naman, oh. So, yeah. Our mangosteen is there. See? It should be well maintained because naibitin. Aray. So, dandahan ka talaga naman dito. Kasi, paksit yun ka. Oh my God. Dangerous. Oh, kailangan talaga namin, kasi yung lupa. Na ang lupa ba? Nag-erode na. Nag-soil erosion na siya. Oh my God. Oh, lang yung lansones, oh. May marang din. Yes. Oh, itong marang, oh. Tadaan! May marang pa, oh. Tadaan! Dami naming marang. Pinutol ni Papa. Pinutol niya yung yung avocado niya. Yung pinutol din niya yung yung tawag nun? Yung ba tawag nun? Yung buungon. Yung pomelo, pinutol niya dito. Ay, naku, sa Papa talaga. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I love it here because malamig, hindi mainit. Oh. May bunga na, oh. Yeah. Kunti nga lang. Very dangerous. So yeah, guys, and have this. What tree is this one? It's too big. Ang laki na niya. Anyway. Hopefully everyone have a blessed Sunday. I don't know what to do in my my life. Oh, bakit nasira, oh? Bakit kaya ito nasira? Sira yung dahon. No, my God. I want to be positive. Positive. So you guys, I wish everyone a happy Sunday, and hopefully you went to church, or I don't know if what kind really of religion you have, guys. Hopefully Sunday is all for God, you know. But me, I didn't go to church today. I was busy looking for a kind of cloth for my son's school uniform. It's too hard to find it. They call it Prince William. Hopefully they have it there in Davao. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I know you won't like I know you like my channel. Hopefully you will subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.